Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to start a clothing brand. Firstly, before designing anything, get clear on brand niche, target audience, and brand story. Choose a unique, memorable name and check if the .com domain and social media handles are available. Now, create a logo using tools like Canva, Luca, or Adobe Express, or hire a logo designer. Now you have two main options: design from scratch or print on demand, which is easy and low cost. You upload designs, they print and ship for you. Use platforms like Printful, Printify, Gelato, or Teespring. Focus on t-shirts, hoodies, hats, or tote bags. Trendy, bold designs with strong messaging or aesthetic appeal. Now, set up an online store. You can do it on Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or BigCartel. Add high-quality product photos, detailed descriptions, size charts, or shipping and return policy. Now, let's promote your brand. Marketing is everything in fashion. Start an Instagram or TikTok account. Use Reels and TikToks with behind-the-scenes content, try-on videos, or design process. Consider UGC or influencer marketing. Run a Facebook, Instagram ads. Canva for social content, Buffer or Later to schedule posts, and CapCut for editing product videos. And once you're live, promote your launch day on social media, offer limited time discounts or bundles, and collect emails with tools like MailChimp for future marketing. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.